I'm here this morning to ride the route of the Hiawatha. I was going to bring my Cannondale with me, but after talking to some people, it became apparent that it would be better for me to rent a bike. And as you can see from the rental bike, it was a wise choice. The bikes get rather dirty on this ride. I'm approaching the entrance to the route of the Hiawatha. The first highlight of this ride is the 1.6 mile Taft Tunnel. I will actually be coming back through this tunnel on the way back because the shuttle service only drops you off just below the tunnel. It's pretty cool riding through here. This trail goes for 15 miles. It's all downhill, a gentle slope. We'll go through 9 tunnels today and over 7 trestles. I see daylight up ahead. It's really wet in this tunnel, which is why the bikes get so messy. I rented this bike at Lookout Pass. They offer a 400 lumens light, but I brought my 1100 instead so I could see the trail a lot brighter. I'm glad I did bring it. Okay. This part of the trail is actually shared with motorized vehicles. The shuttle bus comes up here. This is where they will drop me off from Pearson, which is the end point, and then from here I've got to ride back through the tunnel to where my vehicle is parked. The route of the Hiawatha is one of the rails trails highly rated trails. It's a popular trail. Off in the distance there, you see one of the trestles that I'll be riding over. We've now left the shared road and we're on the trail that's strictly reserved for bicyclists. For those who want to get a little bit more of a workout, because this trail does go downhill, you can ride the 15 miles back uphill. had to stop and put my light on. There just wasn't enough light to illuminate the trail. It's a good thing I did put the light on too, because it's not exactly a 100% smooth surface. Another one of the trestles I'll cross on this ride. There are actually 10 tunnels up here, but this tunnel is closed, so that's why we can only go through 9 of the tunnels. While hybrid bikes could do okay on this trail, it's highly recommended that you use gravel bikes, or better yet, mountain bikes. Okay, here's our first of 7 trestles. This is actually the tallest trestle on the route. I had to stop to get a picture. That's why the pause in the video. You can see more trestles in the background there. We'll be riding over.
Now he's repelling.
All along the trail, there's little information booths. That tell you a little bit about the trail and the history of the region. Here's a close-up of one of those information signs. You can see one of the trestles I just came over. Crossing over the trestle now that I showed you from above. As I mentioned earlier, the route of the Hiawatha is named after a very famous passenger rail line, the Olympian Hiawatha, operated by the Milwaukee Road, that traveled between Chicago, Illinois and Seattle. It had some really unique passenger cars, like for one you see in this billboard, the sightseer car, but also the very unique lounge car at the end of the train. Well, here is the end of the line. We're at Pearson, where I will take the shuttle back up